Hey guys, Harsh here, back in video. So today I'm going to show you how you can install or get the Watch Dogs 2 for free from the Ubisoft Uplay site. So Ubisoft will be giving out Watch Dogs 2 for free, and this is only for the PC version. Be careful about that. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is download the Uplay launcher app. You can easily find it on the Uplay website. And right now it is connecting to the net and logging your information. So if you will need to log in your Play account over here, or you can just create a new account by just clicking this button over here. So let me just log into my account. The news tab over here, and if you scroll down a bit you can see that this is the Ubisoft Forward icon over here. So let's click on it and see what's inside. So this is the Ubisoft Forward World teaser, and we are going to just take a look at the trailer really quickly. So the trailer was pretty amazing, and that's about it on this page. But and once you scroll down a bit you can see that on the highlights section this is the Ubisoft Forward, everything you need to know. So let's click on it, and as you can see that it will be on 20 July 12 PM. So 12 PM is actually my time, so I live in India, so this will be the time of the live stream to begin. So let's take a look at the reveal of this Ubisoft Forward. So you can see that the trailer was pretty amazing to watch, and it also revealed the timing of different zones. So it will be starting at 10:30 AM PTD, which I don't know what time it is that. And here is the detailed statistics of the timing zone. So in Europe it will be at 21 PM, and in Russia it will be at 22 PM, and these are all specific time to their specific location. So you can check your timing over here and convert it if you don't see your timing over here. And you can catch this broadcast on ubisoft.com/forward or YouTube or Twitch or in the Mixer. So let's open up the Ubisoft Forward app link. This will open up just the Chrome site or whatever you use to browse the net. So this is the Ubisoft Forward website, and you can watch the trailer again if you want to, but I'm not going to do that. And here is the scheduled timing. So 11 AM PTD or 8:30 PM CEST, that's Central Time for America, I think. And once you scroll down you can see that in the get reward section you will get the free copy of Watch Dogs 2 plus a chance to earn additional in-game rewards. So that's pretty nice. You can get some in-game currency, so that's pretty nice. And this live stream that will be aired on 12 PM PTT also reveals some detail about Assassin's Creed Valhalla, Watch Dogs Legion, Hyperscope, and a few surprises. So interesting to see the live stream fully, and in the live stream you will get the instruction on how you can get the Watch Dogs 2 for free. So stay tuned for the live stream, and keep in mind that this copy of Watch Dogs 2 will be only available for 1 hour, which is unlike the GTA 5 which was available for I think a week. so you must add quickly, otherwise you will lose this chance. And thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share.